Uganda.
Hey, allow me to take you to Mbale in the Elgon region, which is the land of 1,000 waterfalls. Hi, it's another beautiful day to do a hike, and today we are doing the Wanale Hill. I've done this before, but this is another experience. Every hike is another experience. So we are in the Elgon region doing a tour with Uganda Wildlife Authority.
I am the senior ward in tourism Mount Elgon Conservation Area. You're welcome to the region.
This is our office today. We don't miss a challenge to hike, stretch these tiny legs. So we'll be doing this, and we're taking you with us to the hike. The hike to Nakibiso Waterfalls took us 1.5 hours roughly, and here's the landscape that we had to enjoy. So as promised, we are hiking Wanale Hill, and this is one of the rewards. Clearly, these waterfalls is what we're going to be at the top of once our hike is done.
So after a simple hike, we have arrived at Nakibiso Falls. This on Wanale Hill, but this particular falls is called Nakibiso. So this is Uganda. This is the beauty that you don't see when you sit at home on your comfortable couch. So all you need is to move out of there, come on here, experience Uganda.
Okay, this is Moses Adriga working with the Uganda Wildlife Authority, Mount Elgon National Park. Welcome to the mountain largest caldera. This is Wanale Hill, found in Mbale City. Where you see below down there is our city, the center of Bugisuland. Here where we are, the waterfall that you see ahead of us here is called Nakibiso, and we started all the way. We've been moving for the last 1.5 hours to this waterfall that you're seeing here. It's really a very romantic waterfall that you can never miss it. It's really a beautiful one that each and everybody needs to come and see it. This waterfall here that you see is one of among 1,000 of waterfalls that are found in Mount Elgon National Park.
So within the Mount Elgon National Park, or the Mount Elgon Conservation Area, we have major waterfalls, and these will include the Chebonet Falls that is in Kapkwai Forest. We do have Sipi Falls, and this is a series of 3 waterfalls, all beautiful. And then we have, of course, the waterfalls on the Wanale Ridge, and these will include Wanale, and then Namatsyo, and then Nakibiso.
We still have more of the beautiful ones like this one. Come and see. You're welcome.
What have we just done?
Nakibiso Waterfalls. Nainga zibadde manikiriya. It was very nice. Explore Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. We are in Mbale, Elgon region, exploring the beauty untouched world
untouched beauty of Mbale.
Thank you for stopping by, and I hope you had fun watching the waterfalls from the Sipi, Chebonet, and of course Nakibiso. Next in our adventure is Pian Upe Wildlife Reserve, so look out for that and see you then.